How to add account photo in Wise. Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how can you add an account photo into your Wise account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application. And after opening the Wise application, just simply unlock your account by entering the biometrics or the PIN code. Then you will have to tap into this profile picture into the top left corner. And from there, you will get to see this camera icon just below your profile picture. Just simply tap to that camera icon and then you can choose a photo from library, means gallery, or you can take a photo at the current time. Just simply choose the suitable option for you. I am choosing this choose a photo from gallery option, and then I'm choosing this picture right here. And then tap to use photo, and this way you can very easily add your profile picture into your Wise account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.